How to fix your money network app not working. Hello everybody, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step process on what you can do if your money network app is not working properly. So let's get right into it. The very first thing that you want to do is head over to your Play Store and make sure to update the app. Now, as you can see, the app is not available on my region, but if it is available on your region, then you would just want to check if your app is up to date. If you see an update button right besides your uninstall button, then you just want to update the app. After that, what you want to do is just head over to your phone settings, and once you scroll down, you will see your app vault or your app settings. Just tap on it and you will just have to find your app from the list of these apps on your phone. So I'm just going to select any random app right here because I don't have it available on my device. So let's say this is the Money Network app. What you would want to do first is head over to storage and clear its cache, because sometimes these unnecessary junk files might be causing the problem. And after that, you want to head over to permissions and make sure all of the required permissions are turned on, which are crucially important for the app to run smoothly. And finally, you just want to head over to your battery usage and make sure it's either on optimized or unrestricted. Doing that will ensure the app will run smoothly. And one last thing you can do is try to clear all of its data and then reopen the app. Doing that will fix your problem. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.